Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to play YouTube in background. To play YouTube in background, first of all you have to open Google Chrome. Now write YouTube. Now write YouTube. Now write YouTube and click on desktop. Click on the right side three dot and click on desktop site. Now open it in. Now click on the result and open it in new tab. Now click on now open that tab on that tab and again click on the desktop site. Now play any song which you want. Play it, and after opening it, now we play it. Now play any song which you want. Now like this. Now like this. Now click on home button. Now click on home button. Now it has been stopped. Now you have to scroll down your notification bar and click on this. Now your YouTube is playing in the background. Like this you can play YouTube in the background. If you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.